Hello. Presenting the SAMSON Tummy Trimmer / Abdominal Support, a clinically designed support belt. Available in multiple sizes with the size chart displayed on screen. Remove the abdominal support from its sterile packaging, ensuring the product stays flat and fully unfolded for accurate placement before wearing. Position the support around the abdominal region, aligning the central panel with the midline to maintain proper anatomical positioning and balanced compression. Wrap the belt evenly around the waist. Apply firm yet comfortable compression by securing the Velcro, maintaining uniform tension to support abdominal muscles without restricting breathing or movement. To remove the product, gently release the Velcro, unwrapping the belt slowly while maintaining alignment to avoid sudden pressure shifts around the abdomen. The SAMSON Tummy Trimmer is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.